Put on your flippers, ready to go. Zip up your wetsuit nice and slow. Goggles on, check, check, check. Let's explore the ocean deck. 3, 2, 1, splash. Splash, splash, dive down deep. Secrets of the sea will keep. Swim, swim, side to side. Ocean magic is our guide. The water's blue and cool and bright. Sunlight sparkles, what a sight. Tiny bubbles float up high, like little pearls that kiss the sky. Colorful fish zip by fast. Orange, yellow, what a blast. Striped and spotted, big and small. There's room in the sea for all. Swish, swish, flip your tail. Ocean adventure never fails. Look, a sea turtle gliding slow, flapping flippers. Go, go, go. He nods hello and swims away. Calm and peaceful in the bay. Seahorses bob up and down. Tiny crowns like ocean town. They curl their tails round seagrass, waving as we gently pass. Coral reefs in colors bright, pink and purple. What a sight. Like underwater, cities wide, with fish that love to hide inside. Colors bright beneath the foam. Ocean creatures, call it home. Dive a little deeper now. Feel the cooler water flow. Sunlight fades and it gets dim, but we're brave. Let's take a swim. Jellyfish glow with gentle light, floating softly in the night. No touch, just look and see how magical the sea can be. Octopus waves with wiggly arms, changing colors with ocean charms. Squish and swirl, then whoosh away, playing hide and seek all day. Glow, blow, soft and slow. Deep sea wonders start to show. Further down it's dark and deep, where giant shadows slowly creep. But don't be scared, we're safe and sound, exploring wonders all around. A big blue whale swims so wide, gentle giant of the tide. She sings a song so low and long. The ocean joins her peaceful song. Crabs scuttle sideways on the sand, pinchy claws but friendly band. Starfish stretch with arms so bright, resting calmly out of sight. Deep, deep, don't be shy. Ocean world is floating by. We learn the ocean helps us breathe. With plants and plankton underneath, they make fresh air for you and me. Thank you, big blue sea. But oh no, what's that I see? Trash floating where it shouldn't be. We must help keep oceans clean, so fish can swim and waters gleam. Pick it up and toss it right. Protect the ocean day and night. Every small action counts a lot. Let's give Earth our best shot. Care and share. Do your part. Keep the ocean in your heart. Time to swim back up, up, up. Sunlight shining like a cup. Break the surface, splash and cheer. What an adventure we had here. Back on the boat, I smile wide, thinking of the ocean tide. So many creatures, big and small, living together, one and all. Maybe one day I will be a marine scientist in the sea, studying fish and coral bright, helping oceans shine with light. Splash, splash, clap your hands. Ocean magic understands. Swim, swim, shout with me. Love and protect the sea, the end. Please like and subscribe, dime, dime, dime.